There is a disease that attacks stony corals. This disease is called stony coral tissue loss disease. It affects about 20 different species of hard corals. It is characterized by sloughing away of the tissue, which leaves a bare skeleton. This disease is waterborne and may spread via direct contact. The disease was first detected in 2014 off the coast of Florida, and now it has spread to the East Caribbean and even our Mesoamerican reef system. The causes of the disease are unknown, but many scientists have concluded that it responds to antibiotics, so that it might be bacterial in nature. There are still ongoing studies to determine what the actual cause of stony coral tissue loss disease is. The disease has spread from its origin to all of the Florida reef tract, Jamaica, to Mexico, San Martin, US Virgin Islands, Dominican Republic, Turks and Caicos, and northern Belize.
In 2019, local authorities had to make a tough decision to close the reefs along the coast of Cozumel. The idea behind this was to give these reefs a break and more time to recover because of the devastating effects that the disease has had on the corals.
Currently, the disease is not present in Honduras. However, the Roatan Marine Park, in conjunction with BICA, are laying the groundwork for when the disease arrives to Honduras, if it does arrive. So far, we've been giving informational presentations to the community, to the dive operators, to inform about stony coral tissue loss, how it can be detected and how it spreads. We have also conducted workshops of coral identification, because this disease is very specific and it affects about 20 different species of stony coral. So we want to ensure that the dive operators and the people in the water can actually identify these corals. We conducted a rapid assessment using a rover diver methodology to determine the presence or absence of the disease in Honduras. We monitored sites with high coral coverage of susceptible species and did not find any colonies with symptoms of concern.
As a community, we depend on tourism. Therefore, we all need to take actions to help prevent this disease from spreading any further along the Mesoamerican reef system. We need to lobby with our local authorities and central government to keep this disease on their radar, because it is another anthropogenic factor that is affecting our coral reefs and is easily being spread. At home, we can all make small steps to decrease our waste, both liquid and solid, because all of these affect our planet one way or another.
So Honduras currently does not have stony coral tissue loss disease, but we want you to keep your eyes in the water. So when you're diving, with your dive shop, with your dive instructor, keep an eye on these corals that might be susceptible to stony coral tissue loss disease. If you see something that you suspect might look like this disease, please take a picture, note the dive site, and send us an email to info@roatanmarinepark.org.